Hi, this is Steve Lombardi, and this is your Legal Minute. Today we're going to talk about preservation of evidence in a bike accident case. Now, I have previously shot a video, and you should watch it, having to do with field tools for a personal injury accident. And really, that's where you should start. In a bike accident case, there are certain things that a lawyer is going to need that the client needs to act on before they go see the lawyer. If you're not going to act on them, I would say immediately hire the attorney. If you're laid up in the hospital and you're not able to talk with an attorney, then I would suggest that you have a family member or a friend act on your behalf to contact the attorney and ask him to come to the hospital to see you. Now, I realize all the connotations that the insurance industry has placed on us about being ambulance chasers, but I'm going to tell you that is a finely tuned marketing plan for the insurance companies that will allow them to destroy the evidence while you're laid up in the hospital. Go see an attorney as soon as you can. Now, on our website, there are a list of 35 things you can do to preserve your bike accident case. One, I want you to take the clothes that you had on at the time of the accident and save them. Don't wash them. Don't let your spouse wash them. Don't let anybody wash them. If they were cut off in the accident, don't throw them away. You need to place them in a bag or a box because the lawyer is going to need those later on. Scuff marks are very important. Tears in them that occurred during the accident may be important as well. So it's very important that you save and preserve your clothes. Next, the bike. Same thing. Don't wash it. Don't wipe it down. Don't rub the marks off with your hands. Somebody is going to need to photograph that bike in good light with a good camera, so you want to preserve that bike. Don't ride the bike again. Take the bike, set it aside in your basement or in your garage in a place where the lawyer will be able to take photographs of it, or you can retrieve it, bring it to the lawyer's office, and they can do it at their office. Next, the helmet. Don't use the helmet again, and don't ever use it again once you've been in an accident and it's gotten hit. Someone is going to photograph that helmet along with measuring the scuff marks. It's very important that the helmet be preserved. So don't throw it away, don't alter it, don't scrub it down, don't rub the marks off, and don't use it. If you had a light on your bike and this was at night or dusk and your light was working, you want to make sure that you preserve the light as it is. You also want to preserve the batteries. Take the batteries out, put them in a plastic bag, label them when you took them out, and keep them. The reason why you're going to take them out of the light is you don't want them drained. You want to be able to show as evidence that the batteries were working, that they had power in them, and that the light could work, and to show the power of the light. Okay, what else do we want? Well, don't talk with any insurance company until you've seen a lawyer. Insurance companies or adjusters are very adept at getting you to say things and to be able to take them out of context. In that respect, remember, when you speak to the doctor, stay consistent. Stay consistent with how you describe the accident when the doctor takes the history. Don't get tired of telling the story, and don't short shrift that conversation with the doctor, because if you do, it's going to come back to haunt you later on. Stay consistent with how you describe to the physicians how the accident happened. And then lastly, get your brain wrapped around the fact that you are going to be blamed by the insurance companies for having caused the accident, and the other driver is going to blame you as well. Get your brain wrapped around that, and don't think for a second you can trust your own insurance company, because if they think you're going to file an underinsured or uninsured motorist claim, you are not their friend and they're not your friend. Their intention will be to minimize what they have to pay you, which is their loss, and that will mean taking a statement and getting you to admit fault so they can reduce or eliminate how much they have to pay you. That's a few of the things that you can do for yourself in your bike accident case. We handle these Iowa bike accident cases, and we'd be more than happy to help you. If we can help you, follow the contact information that follows this video and give us a call. Thank you. This is Steve Lombardi, and this is your Legal Minute.